Hi everyone, my name is Ramesh 21951A04 F0 of branch ECC section. In this presentation, I am going to talk about given the list given the list of numbers, you are to sort them in non-decreasing order. List, first of all, what is list? A linked list is a sequence of data structures which are connected together via links. Linked list is a sequence of links which contains items. Each link contains a connection of another link. Linked list is the second most used data structure after array. And next, sort. The process of sorting can be explained as a technique of rearranging the elements in any particular order which can be set ready for further processing by the program logic. The various types of sorting methods possible in the C language are that bubble sort, selection sort, quick sort, merge sort, heap sort, and insertion sort. C program to sort an array in ascending order, that is non-decreasing order. Problem description. This program will implement a one-dimensional array of some fixed size filled with some random numbers, then will sort all the filled elements of the array. Problem solution. Create an array of fixed size, maximum capacity, let's say 10. Let n a variable which stores the number of elements of the array less than maximum capacity of array. Iterate via for loop, that is for loop, to take array elements as input and print them. The array elements are in unsorted fashion. To sort them, make a nested loop. If the nested loop, the each element will be compared to all the elements below it. In case the element is greater than the element present below it, they are interchanged. After executing the nested loop, we will obtain an array in ascending order arranged elements. Programs source code. Here is the source code of the C program to sort the array in an ascending order. The program is successfully compiled and tested using Turbo C compiler in Windows environment. Let's start the program. First we have to take void main and open the flower bracket, and you have to give int declaration ijan and the array of size, that is length 30, and statement, that is printf, enter the value of n by n, and scanf statement, that is the input, and next printf statement. Next we have to use for loop, that is in this I is equals to 0, I is less than n, and increment of I. Suppose n is a number that is 5, so I is equals to 0, 0 is less than 5, the condition becomes true and runs the loop. Next scanf statement, and bitwise and number logic and that's number of I, that is address of I. Next for loop, I is equals to 0, I is less than n, and increment of I. Next open flower bracket. For j is equals to 1 plus j is equals to I plus 1, j is less than n, and increment of j. And next open flower bracket, if address of I is greater than address of j, then then it in then a is equals to number of I, that is address of I, and number of I is equals to number of j. Number of j is equals to a. This is swapping condition. And next, printf statement. The numbers arranged in ascending order are given below. For loop for I is equals to 0, I is less than an increment of I, and printf statement, that is number of I, address of I, and we'll get the numbers in ascending order. Program explanation. Declare an array of some fixed capacity, let's say 30. From users, take a number n as input, which will indicate the number of elements in the array, n less than or equals to maximum capacity. Iterating through for loops from 0 to n, take integers as input from user and print them. These inputs are the elements of the array. Now create a nested for loop, that is we have seen that nested for loop with I and j and iterators. Start the sorting in ascending order by extracting each element at position of I of outer loop. This element is being compared to every element from position I plus 1 to size minus 1. Means all elements present below this extracted element. In case any of the extracted element is greater than the element below it, then these two interchange their position, else the loop continues. After this nested loop gets executed, we get all the elements of the array sorted in ascending order. That is the runtime test cases, that is enter the value of n, that is 6, enter the numbers, that is 3, 78, 90, 456, 780, 200. The numbers arranged in ascending order are given below, that is 3, 78, 90, 200, 456, 780. Thank you.